Play the fucking track! Play that fucking track! Oh, there it is. Limp Bizkit! DMX! Redman! That's right, yo! Man! We just keep on rolling, baby! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Move in, now move out! Hands up, now hands down! Back up, back up! Tell me what you gonna do now! Breathe in, now breathe out! Hands up, now hands down! Back up, back up! Tell me what you gonna do now! Keep rolling, 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 rolling! 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 Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here! L-I-M-P, Bizkit is right here! People in the house, put them hands in the air! Cause if you don't care, then we don't care! See, I ain't giving a fuck! Quit pressing your luck! Untouchable, branded unfuckable! So keep me in this cage until you run that mouth. Then I'ma have to play and break the fuck out. And then we'll see who's left after one round with X. And what am I bringing next? Just know it's red and meth. So where the fuck you at, punk? Shut the fuck up and back the fuck up while we fuck this track up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Move in, now move out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
Y'all thought y'all weren't gonna see me? Check my dangerous slang, atrocious. When I let these nuts hang, focus, it's Wu-Tang. What the fuck's a hootie and the blowfish? I wave my black flag at the roaches who approaches these twin super soakers who have poisonous darts for cope with. Too late to get your blowgun unhosted. Your left butted up and lightly toasted. So what? I drink and smoke too much. So what? I cut too much. Shut the fuck up.
Now when we roll, you motherfuckers tucking your gold. Cause for the platinum, I'm jacking niggas up in limos. It ain't nothing for bullets to unbutton your clothes. Description, yellow male, tissue up in his nose. You bitches, swing the vine on the baboon nuts. I'm hairy as hell, out of hell and tattooed up. I'm a dog only, fuck in the bathroom. What? In high school I dealt only with the classroom sluts.
My name is Johnny Donnie Brasco. Tuck the gap low, cut your cash flow. Yell if you want money. Funny, a hungry dummy snatch crumb from me. Dockin' hot nicks, bodies in the mosh
and I'm the D.O. You looking at the raw invented. On Friday I spit 35 to 40 minutes. Smell up the bathroom like Craig Paul was in it. Ending up on your back, Wu Swords up in it. Anyone can match me, I crack them all to Guinness. Fuck how many thugs, players and ballers in it. Brick City, Shaolin, better call it sinners. Boys that'll run up in your white mall and spill it. We said come on.
Move in, now move out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
It just don't get no darker than that kid with the Parker. Bald head with the boots who shoots to make it spark. Now I'm a fair nigga, but ain't there nigga quicker than the hair trigger. So if you dare nigga, it'll be like your man trying to hold your brain to your head. But you'll be shitting on yourself cause you already dead. And at the funeral you won't need a casket. I'm leaving just enough of them to stuff in a basket. But just hit the tasket, I really need my ass kicked. My mom's never let me forget that I'm a bastard. I ain't never been shit, that ain't gon' be shit. That's why I take shit whenever I see shit. It's just that D shit. D short for do what I wanna do, and that's what I'm gonna do. Right here in front of you, and I'll be running you and your man straight up out. Yeah, niggas ain't running a fucking thing but your mouth.
Move in, now move out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 You wanna mess with Limp Bizkit? You can't mess with Limp Bizkit. Why? Because we get it on every day and every night. Hear this platinum thing right here? But we're doing it all the time. So you better get some better beats and get some better rhymes. We really wanna get shit started. The people everywhere just get free started. Get free started. Get free started. The people everywhere just get free started. Move in, now move out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 That's right, baby. Watch out, punk. Limp Bizkit, DMX, Captain Man, Redman, Swiss Beats. Where the fuck you at? Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Rough Riders, funk.
Still adore you. You never